turned her head, I knew what that meant. By the time I looked up, she was already went. Aloha, goodbye. She said it with a smile. Aloha, goodbye. Gone but for a while. The jazz band took her. New York called her name. But aloha means hello too, so I followed just the same. Turns out New York wasn't made for her or him. She landed on me somewhere on the way down. Best thing that ever happened, 6 stories above the ground. Forgave her completely, right then and there. Started back toward the ocean, didn't look back at the square. Aloha, goodbye. New York said it cold. Aloha, goodbye to everything we'd sold. The jazz band kept playing, the city kept its snow. But aloha means we're coming home, and home is where we go. Some doors look the same, going in and coming out. The word means both things, that's what it's about. Left saying aloha, came home saying aloha. The ocean was waiting, it always was. The groove builds back slowly, the warmth returns, the tide coming in. Aloha, goodbye. Built something good here, right in the sun. She's back beside me, said this is the one.